So does that 130 calculation on that percent blame? 130 by 165. So you have to think, does the 130,000 reflect the percent of blame that the child care center ought to own? Okay. What's the percent of blame there? 79%. Okay, so what you're saying is approximately 80%, that they are approximately 80% to blame. Okay. You have another number? 40,000. Okay. 40,000 would be roughly 25%. So we have pretty drastic differences there. You believe that they are 80% to blame. You believe that they're only 25% to blame. Do we have any other numbers? Okay, so we have 80, 25. Go ahead.
I say the full amount.
Full amount, 165. Okay. Okay. Let's not split hairs and come up with a number that's only 5, or 8 percentage point off. So does anybody have any significantly different? Does anybody have a significantly different motion? Yes. 65%. Okay. What would the number be on that?
107.
Okay. 107,000. Okay. And in the back. 120,000. Okay. 112. That's right between 107 and 120. Yeah. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5 different amounts on the table right now. 25,000, 80,000, 107, 120, and 165. Okay? I want you to think about which amount you think they are truly responsible for. And we will need at least a simple majority. Okay? By the way, this is not the technical way that a jury would do this. For the sake of this mock trial, this is how we're going to get it done. Okay? The jury would actually come to an absolute consensus, meaning every single jury member would agree on an amount. And if the jury did not agree on the amount, then they would have to work out other solutions that the jury could agree on. But for the sake of time here, we're going to try to get a simple majority. Okay? So think about which one you want. Okay? We're going to go from lowest to highest. Okay? And you have one vote. You have one vote. And if it doesn't work, okay, then we will pick out the 2 that have the highest number of votes, and we will re-vote on those 2. Okay, so you have one vote to cast. All right. Who would like to cast the vote for $25,000? Jury members only. Jury members only. $25,000. Who made the motion for $25,000?
I think it was 25%.
Oh, 25%. Okay.
Yeah, 80,000 was 8%.
Okay, so there are only 4 amounts on the table now. I'm sorry, I had the number 25 written down. Okay, so the 4 amounts are 80,000, 107, 120, and 165. Okay, who would like to cast your vote for 80,000, which is 25%? So not even the person who made the motion, and that's fine. You can make a motion and then be swayed by someone else's point of view. So 80,000 is off the table now. Oh.
And they said 25% was 40,000.
Oh, I thought you said 80. Okay. 40, 80. Back to the drawing board here. 40, 80, 107, 120, and 165. Okay. Who would like to cast your vote for 40,000?
There's 2.
Yeah, one vote.
There's 2.
Two. Okay.
You don't get the vote. They don't get the vote. And we're not doing that.
Yeah. Okay, so 2. Who would like to cast your vote for 80,000? 80,000. Who would like to cast your vote for 107? $107,000. $120,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Who would like to cast your vote for 165? $165,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Would the jurors please stand up? Jurors only, please stand up. Jurors only, please stand up. Jurors only, please stand up. Please stand up. Thank you. Okay, so we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Please sit down. Thank you. Okay, so we failed to reach a simple majority because the simple majority, the highest number we have is 9. Okay, 9 is exactly 1/2 18. The simple majority is half plus 1. Okay, so we are missing one vote for 165. 6 people voted for 120, and therefore we will re-vote on those two options only. Okay, so think about it. It's going to be 120 or it's going to be 165. Okay? We'll work in the opposite order this time. Okay? If you would like to vote for, I'm going to say 165 first, and then I'm going to say 120. Okay? So commit yourself to one or the other, and raise your hand only once when that number is called. If you would like to vote for 165, please raise your hand.
I still have 9.
If you would like to vote for 120, please raise your hand. Unless someone abstains. Do we have any abstentions? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So we have a deadlock jury here. 120 and 165. Neither of them work out. Would anybody like to make a new motion on a number in between 120 and 165? 140. Okay.
25.
Okay. Did you have another motion?
164,999.
No.
That's 165.
150? Okay. So we're going to vote on those two now. We're going to vote on 140 or 150. Those are the two reasonable motions made. Okay. Last vote here. If you, I'm going to say 140 first, and then I'm going to say 150. Cash should vote for one or the other. Who would like to vote for 140,000? Who would like to vote for 150? 150,000. 1, 2,